Welcome to the lecture series of Maths Genius, and today we will be solving a question related to maths. Okay, so now this question has two concepts, right? First is the concept of ratio and the other is the concept of basic triangles. So often our students have this problem. Now the question is asking the angle from B to A, right? So the ratio they are asking is B is to A. Okay, now if you recall, what is the sum of angles of a triangle? It is 180 degree. So y plus 10 plus 90 is equals to 180. So 2y is equals to 180 minus 100. The sum of these two is 100. So 80 is equals to 2y. So y is equals to what? Y is equals to 40. How 40? Y is equals to 80 divided by 2. Now, so this angle becomes what? 40 and this becomes 50. So the angle that they are asking is B is to A, that is 40 over 50, that is 4 is to 5 is the correct answer. Often students are unable to solve this, so please, I am just saying it again. The sum of angles of a triangle of any triangle is 180. This is a right angle triangle. Because of this is 90. This is y plus 10, this is y. Adding the two, solving it, we are actually getting the value of 40. And similarly, A is 50, the other one is 40. By again completing the solution, we will be getting a final value. This is the end of this session. Hope you guys have understood this.